There could be help if you hate taking drugs to deal with nighttime acid reflux.
Wanting to avoid medications for that condition is especially true for pregnant women. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez here now to tell us about a special pillow that might be the answer.
That's right, and take it from me, it's not just women who suffer from bedtime reflux. Now, you can try avoiding fried or spicy foods, no big meals, especially avoid eating late at night. But sometimes none of that helps. Here's a pillow that's actually classified as an FDA medical device for reflux relief. Fatima Sassan had what she described as a normal pregnancy with her now 6-month-old baby daughter. No complications, natural childbirth, but she did have one unpleasant symptom when she went to bed, especially in her 3rd trimester.
You just start feeling that kind of acidy feeling, ascending up your throat.
It's easy to see how the growing baby puts pressure on a woman's stomach, pushing stomach acid up into the throat. Maternal fetal medicine specialist Dr. Noelle Strong says as many as half of all pregnant women will have acid reflux symptoms. Maybe a third will need some medicine for relief, but
many women want to use as few medications as possible during pregnancy.
That's what led a reflux-suffering physician to design a kind of device called Medcline that would reduce bedtime acid reflux without medications. It's a much more sophisticated version of the foam wedge often suggested to reflux sufferers. And a number of clinical trials have shown that Medcline does in fact reduce bedtime acid reflux.
Women that generally have really bad symptoms at night, and they, at least in my little small population study, have all had good results with it.
It looks a little complicated, but the ingenious design allows men as well as women, pregnant or not, to assume the recommended side sleeping position, with their head elevated to allow gravity to help keep stomach acid in place.
Having something that allowed me to modify my sleeping position and was also helping with my heartburn was an awesome plus for me.
Now, the Medcline isn't cheap. Depending on the model, it runs from $200 to about $250. And even though it's FDA listed as a Class 1 medical device, it's not covered by insurance. Still, the Medcline is an interesting alternative for reflux relief, pregnant or not. And there have been some disturbing studies now about the long-term effects of some of these acid-blocking drugs. So if you can do it without drugs, you're better off.
It just looks downright comfortable to me.
I was going to say cozy, yeah.
Yeah, it is kind of, it's a little involved, it looks like, to set up at first, but it looks pretty comfortable.
Something to snuggle up to.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Thanks.
Dr. Max.